me. In front of me is Lenovo Tab P12 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can add event to calendar on this tablet. Firstly, you need to access calendar by tapping on it and select this icon at the bottom right corner. Now just got it, and finally set up a date by tapping on the one that you wish to choose. I will go with that one. Now you need to click on this plus icon at the bottom right corner and select event. After that, customize it however you wish to. For example, add a title, pick starting or ending hour. You can also disable this feature by clicking on this switcher, tap on does not repeat and select one of those options if you want your event to repeat. Select add video if you wish to add one, click on add location, choose while using the app or only this time, then type in an address and click on the correct one. Now you can also change color, add attachments, take notes, and even set up notifications minutes, hours, or weeks before your event. When you're ready, just save at the top right corner. As you can see, my event was successfully created. You can always edit it by clicking on it, choosing this pen icon at the top right corner, making your changes, and choosing save again. If you wish to delete it though, you need to hold it, click on those three dots at the top right corner instead, select delete, and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!